Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classification Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is concerned with our health problems, that is coronavirus, which has been termed as COVID-19, is a very dangerous and a pandemic situation that has affected the world whole. As a worldwide, a massive number of people have been affected by this. So friends, it is very essential and it is very important for us to remain protected and keep ourselves protected only by wearing masks. If we wear masks for going out, and if any sort of basic necessity or important reason is, we must need and we must have to take care of ourselves, because coronavirus enters into a person's body through face, through mouth, eyes and touch. So friends, in this video, I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful handmade, hand-knitted crochet face masks. There are different types of masks that are suitable for every type of and every gender of persons, that is every age group of people, ranging from children, adults, teenagers to the older ones. Friends, as all of you could see that these are very beautiful and they are very beautifully designed and arranged by using hand knitting, easy, simple and beautiful patterns of crochet. Even beginners can also try these patterns, but professionals can make these as it is, exactly, because they can also decorate these masks by making the flowers and floral arrangements like as you have been seeing in this video. So friends, kindly do try these patterns, and if you want some more designs, variety of masks, then go to my channel's playlist face mask. There you can get a variety of designs. As you could see that a very creative DIY idea could be used for these masks, that is, you can use a tissue paper or soft stuffed tissue as an inner filter layer. So take care of yourselves, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family, and stay protected, remain healthy, and kindly do protect others as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed, keep watching my content, keep supporting me like this, and we will soon be back with you along with some new designs and ideas. Until then, take care.